all, I am Rupinder Kaur, Department of Hotel Management, RPIIT Campus, Karnal. My topic is Indian cuisine. Indian cuisine. Indian dishes are popular all over the world for its tastes and variety. There are people who travel a long distance to have the taste of it. There is so many things that you never forget about the India. One of them is the tasty dishes. Nothing reveals the variety of Indian culture better than the diversity of its the sensational food. Types of regional cuisine: North Indian cuisine, South Indian cuisine, East Indian cuisine. Now we have some examples of the North Indian cuisine: Avdi cuisine, Bihari cuisine, Bhojpuri cuisine, Kashmiri, Punjabi, Rajasthani, Mughlai cuisine, Uttar Pradesh cuisine, etc. South Indian cuisine: Andhra cuisine, Karnataka cuisine, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Hyderabadi, etc. East India cuisine: Bengali cuisine, Odia cuisine, northeast of India, Assam cuisine, Sikkim cuisine, Tripuri cuisine, and the West Indian, Goan, Gujarati, Marathi, Malwai, and Konkani cuisine. These are the examples of the some Indian regional cuisine. North Indian cuisine. North India cover a large vast part of the country, including the state of the Kashmir, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh. Staple diet of the people of these states is rice, pulses, and vegetables. However, the method of the preparation differs. There are also some special recipes of each region which are famous throughout the country, like Rajasthan dal bati churma, Uttar Pradesh kebabs, and Punjabis dishes are sarson ka saag and makki ki roti. North Indian also boasted of the world famous Mughlai cuisine, which you will definitely appreciate. Some examples of the North Indian cuisine: Punjabi cuisine, Avdi cuisine, Bhojpuri cuisine, Kashmiri cuisine, etc. South Indian cuisine. South India has a distinct cuisine of its own, which is strongly different from the Northeast and West Indian cuisine. The southern Indian state of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh eat both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. Of late, many of these recipes of South Indian have become quite popular with not only the Indians but also with the foreigner tourists. Some of these recipes include the idli, dosa, upamam, utpam, pongal, sambar, etc. These dishes will delight you with their taste and flavor. West Indian. West Indian cuisine again exhibit a sharply different cuisine than the rest of India, consisting the Goa, Gujarat, and Maharashtra West India gourmet tour will be offered a variety of dishes because there is a considerable difference between the people of the three states. Dhokla from Gujarat, Bhel Puri and Pav Bhaji from Maharashtra, and non-vegetarian items from Goa will delight you with their distinct but delicious taste. Some examples of the West cuisine: Assam cuisine, Manipuri cuisine, Tripuri cuisine, Naga cuisine, Mizo cuisine, Garo cuisine, and Khasi cuisine. Popular dishes of India: Tandoori, Kadhai, Curry, Biryani, Mughlai, Korma, and Dosa. These are the popular dishes name of the India. Beverage of India. The most common beverage found in India is tea. The finest variety of tea are grown in the Darjeeling and Assam. It is frequently prepared as a masala chai with a mixture of milk along with the other spices. Another popular beverage is coffee. It is ordinarily served in the South India. One of the nicest kind of grown in Mysore and Karnataka. It is sold by the name of the Mysore Nuggets. Other drinks are the Nimbu Pani, lemonade, lassi, and chaj. It is made from the yogurt. Alcoholic drinks are served in the Indian such as the palm wine, fani, bhang, and Indian beer. Surprisingly, drinking a beverage is not polite when eating a meal in India. Now we have some examples of the beverages. Alcoholic beverages which belong to the traditional, and alcoholic beverage which are non-traditional, and non-alcoholic beverages, and the fourth is the milk based beverages. Here is some examples of the beverages. Thank you.